Good morning once again. This is Kosia Voshinu from the Simoni Limited, site manager working on the 1111 project. Here we are once again to give you an update of what has been done so far. As you can see behind me, this is the setting out for the foundation works for a new block to start, which is the block 4. It's going to be more interesting on the site with a lot of works going on at the same time. Block 1, this is where we are now. We are done with all the structural works, and at this moment the fixing of the electrical conduit boxes are at place, as well as the first fixing for the plumbing works. So in addition, we have the glazing works that are about to start with the already on site. We have the subframes that have been fixed and just ready to start with the internal plastering and the external plastering as well. Block 2, we have the roof slab at place. And at the ground floor level soon, we are going to start with the first fixing of the MEPs. That will consist of the marking, the cutting of the walls, the fixing of the conduit boxes, the pipes, and you proceed with the internal plastering and also with the screeding. At the roof level, the parapet wall is going to be done as soon as possible. And we can say that we are also almost done with the structure related to the block 2. Block 3, we started casting a roof slab. The first unit is at place now, and we have the formwork ready to start pouring the concrete for the third unit, the roof slab for the third unit, while other works are also ongoing. Block works at the ground floor almost completed. First floor level ready any moment to start with the internal partition walls. Thanks once again for coming with us. Hoping to see you next time with another interesting update. Hoping that we will be done with the 3 structures, and as well to start with the excavation works for the new block upcoming. Thank you.